In the dead of night, on October 1, 2015, the 790-foot cargo ship El Faro sailed into the heart of Hurricane Joaquin, a Category 4 storm in the open Atlantic. Inside the ship, containers shifted, metal bent, water poured in, the list grew, power failed. Waves soared 30 feet high, winds blasted at over 80 knots. Carrying 33 crew members and a full load of cargo, she lost her way, and the sea claimed her. Once a symbol of commerce on the trade route from Jacksonville to San Juan, she became a ghost in the deep. The chaos of wind and wave revealed a truth. Even the strongest vessel can be brought to its knees. What if ship stability was no longer a hope, but a guarantee?
What if we build a system not just to face them but to defeat them?
When the world tilts and everything loses power, this system stands unshaken. I am Tawakkal Akhtar.
I am Sadka Jabri.
We are innovators and participants in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. In response to these disasters at sea, we asked, how can we build ships that don't just survive the storm but defy it? Introducing Gyroship, the next generation in vessel stability. A hybrid stabilization system inspired by science, built for the future of seas. Combining the precision of a gyroscope, the flexibility of tensile integrity structures, the strength of base isolation, and the smoothness of a magnetic support.
All working together to keep the ship balanced, even in the fiercest storms. This is not just an idea, it's a beginning of stable seas.
This is our 3D model screen. Here, the future of maritime stability comes alive. The gyroship, a hybrid stabilization system that merges physics, engineering, and imagination into one living mechanism. This is our upper deck, which carries high value goods, and its heart spins three gyroscopes, two spinning outwards the body and one at the center, constantly in motion, generating counter torque that resists every roll and tilt. Even when the sea throws its worst, the ship stands balanced, just like the earth spinning on its own axis. Surrounding it is a tensional integrity structure, light yet incredibly strong, absorbing shocks just like human muscles balance our body. Beneath that, base isolation systems separate the ship's deck from engine vibrations and ocean shocks, allowing it to glide smoothly through turbulence. Finally, magnetic suspension, the silent force. It levitates the stabilization core, cutting down friction to near zero, making the system endlessly efficient. Four layers of technology, one unified heartbeat. Together, they form the gyroship core, a self-balancing system that can save lives, protect cargo, and redefine the way India sails from storm to stiffness, from chaos to control. This is how the gyroship defies the ocean. It is just the beginning. Imagine a future where every Indian ships sail with AI powered stability, predicting waves before they strike. A fleet guided by smart sensors, powered by green energy, and protected by magnetic levitation and adaptive control systems. Gyroship will evolve from stabilizing ships to stabilizing oceans. Our vision to make India the global leader in marine innovation where every storm becomes a story of strength. Because the future doesn't wait for calm waters, it is built to conquer them. This is Gyroship, the power to balance the impossible.